up, Mike?
Ready?
It's good.
I get it in, man.
Doing good so far?
Oh yeah, I need this shit.
Good luck for tomorrow, baby.
You know it.
This is Mike. He's gonna show us his handstand right now. So let's go.
السلام عليكم، ان شاء الله تكونوا بخير، ان شاء الله تكونوا بصحة جيدة. لقمان ديزاد معكم and we are with my boy محمود. أهلين. سباعي, we got the champion right here, we got the future inshallah worldwide MMA champion, probably UFC, probably, you know, we're not gonna say that, but we just, you know, working in silence, you know what I'm saying, في السكات كما يقول.
You work in silence and let your success make the noise.
الله أكبر. اعمل في صمت ودع النجاح يتكلم عنك.
اعمل في صمت يا حبيبي وخلي نجاحك يتكلم عليك.
هو انتوا بتجيبوا الاشكال دي منين يعني؟ بتجيبوا الاشكال دي منين؟ يا عمود محمود انا الحين واحد ريستورون هنا ان شاء الله، ريستورون تركي اللي عطاني منه ساندويش ديك النهار وعجبني بزاف. قلت له والله غير تديني، قال لي كيف؟ قلت له والله غير نروح هناك. استنوا معنا ونروح نضربوا دار ان شاء الله عند
بتاعه. اقسم بالله الاكل بتاعه ملوش حل. I swear to God, delicious bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. بقول لك ايه؟ هنروح ونشوف.
خلاص نروحوا احنا راح ناكلوا، ممكن ناكلوا ان شاء الله.
بص 3 دقايق
كي ناكلوا نخلوا الكاميرا هكذا باش كي نذوقوا يعني نعطوكم الراي تاعنا ان شاء الله. وانا يعني ما رانيش موالف ندير هذا الانواع تاع الفيديو، ولكن اليوم ان شاء الله نديروا فيديو من هذا النوع. يلا بينا. Burak, oh, and we got Burak right here, the famous chef.
No, he's not.
He's not? He is his famous chef.
Hi, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. He does. Why are you saying that about the guy, bro?
You know why he is champion?
Why?
Because I am cooking for him.
Oh. We have Iraq in the house.
bro. Bahai
Akhoya Baha in the house.
one of the really good
The
fighters.
future, one of the future champion right here.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, he's gonna beat this guy right here.
No bro.
No, he can't, right?
Yeah, we'll never fight.
No, right?
Us, we're never fighting, man. I mean,
Me, Bakla.
listen,
Right now.
bro. ايه ده؟
I don't need that. Talking about.
Bro, look at the baklava. Let me focus on that, bro. What is this? ايه ده؟ ايه ده؟ اقسم بالله البقلاوه فعلا طعمها من احسن البقلاوه اللي ممكن تاكلها في حياتك.
ألف عافية حبيبي.
بهاء
والله جربتها والله. ما أقدر والله ما أقدر جربتها.
Thank God. I cannot even يعني مانيش قادر نشرح لكم البنة تاعها. Cannot even describe how delicious it is. Something about this guy right here. Yeah. He is the best. He's about taking care of us. What do you eat? No, Allah is the best. No, I'm not saying. I'm not just saying in his face. Not because we're eating for free. No. But it's just like look at his face. Oh, he's sad now. Don't be sad. Don't
من
be
اكتر
sad.
يعني انا بقيت اجي المكان هنا من
الله يخليك.
من اكتر من عشان انا باجي المكان هنا كتير، فانا وهو قربنا من بعض قوي، بقينا اصحاب جدا. اوكي خليني اقول لك بقى في فيتشر جامده قوي هنا. انا طبعا اول ما جيت المطعم ما اعرفش عندهم اكل ايه، فخلينا نعمل سكان مثلا هنا. عملنا سكان للتوركو، هيطلع لنا هنا المكان. اوكي وبعد كده ده المنيو. تمام مثلا انا عايز مانمان اللي هي الشكشوكه، بتتك عليها بتطلع لك الصوره، تضغط عليها بتطلع لك مثلا ده تطلع لك صورتها ايه هي، فاهم قصدي؟ سميك افوكادو توست بيطلع لك شكله ايه، فاللي هو اصلا ما جربش الاكل يطلع له ايه، يقدر يشوف الصور بتاعت الاكل هنا مثلا. ودي حاجه بصراحه
I've never seen that before too.
Yeah. انت عمرك شفت في مطعم تتك على البتاع يطلع لك صور؟ So nice. واو.
What did you got, brother?
I got مرجمعك شوربة بالتركي، ده بالتركي مرجمعك شوربة، بلين السوق اللي هي
انت دقتها من قبل؟
شوربة عدس.
عدس، شوربة عدس، وهذا الشيء الجميل هذا؟
Oh my god, looks so good. بس العدس بقى ده بالعيش كده.
What about her? Did you?
Oh, she was first.
Talented she is.
God bless her.
She cooks like your mother.
I swear to God, that's what. God bless you. I can tell that you making the food with the love, you know, with the passion. Tell her that. I want her to know.
Understood.
You understand?
Yeah.
Thank God. But that guy, he's so mad. I don't know why. Look. He's always sad. Look, he's not smiling. He's not.
I am taking it serious here.
You look like a musician, by the way. You play music? Do you play music or something? No, right? That's the music that you play, right?
Yeah, this is the instrument that I'm playing.
Yeah. أنا وش ديمونديت واحد الماكلة. What's the name of the one that I got? مانتي واسمها مانتي اللي كومونديتها اسمها مانتي.
ده ممكن الصبح.
على ربي إن شاء الله.
But you enjoy both ways.
Yeah, enjoy.
بسم الله خالتي. بون عندنا أنا سييت هذه هي كان بنينة بزاف ما شاء الله. Really good. والله really good.
No, هو كان أكلي.
I tried it. lentil soup. عدس تاع عدس. ما شاء الله. And we have the mental. I have no idea what's this. I don't know what's this.
You don't know?
No. What's that?
Get some sauce, like more sauce. Yeah.
But what's this? Okay, I'm not gonna know. Don't tell me. Bismillah.
What? Do you like it? Can you tell what it is?
After you finish.
I finished it all, right? Oh my god.
بعد ما تاكلها كلها.
ما شاء الله. It's like pasta or it's like I'm eating like some ajin. Yeah, ajin.
Like ravioli kind of.
Ravioli. Yeah, bismillah.
With garlic yogurt, brown butter, tomato sauce, some red pepper, some dry mint, and cumin. It's a perfect. It's from the Anatolian part of Turkey, the middle part of Turkey.
This is so good.
It's like very common traditional food. It takes hours to make it and seconds to finish.
Hours.
Well, you do it one by hand. You know, open it, cut it.
So and how do you make it? You make it here?
We have a kitchen and we make all of it.
So you actually make it?
Yes, of course.
Wow,
We make
from scratch.
From scratch, yeah.
واو ما شاء الله بنينه بزاف قوي. هذيك شغل ديار. شو مقارون هاي اللي كيفاش تشوفوا هاي ليك؟
Yeah.
What's inside? Nothing inside.
It's meat.
Oh meat.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah, there's meat in it.
فيها اللحم الداخل. واو ما شاء الله. ما شاء الله. I love it. We are with Bana again. أو عاود ولا بنا قال لي وين تكون كنتوا في الجزائر. What do you know in Algeria?
Algeria is great.
Great, right?
We are keeping now the Feguli and
Feguli.
Tadribna, yeah.
Feguli, because he plays in Turkey before.
Yeah. Now he's still in Galatasaray.
Wow.
The biggest club in Turkey.
He's in the biggest team in Turkey.
Yes.
Wow, best team, right?
Yeah,
so
of
he's
course.
famous in Turkey.
Of course.
Wow.
And
Now Riyad Mahrez?
Of course, man.
Mahrez who
He's
play in
famous left leg.
left leg.
He plays in
Yeah.
Leicester City.
Leicester City, yeah.
He's a great guy.
So when did you start cooking?
It has been like 15 years.
15 years
Yeah,
now.
now I'm 30. When I was 15, I started cooking.
Wow, mashallah. You're 30 now.
Yeah, I'm 30.
God bless.
feeling 50.
Nah, I don't feel 50 at all, bro. Like, you got this, you got this.
Yeah,
This is baraka, you know. Baraka, like
Obviously.
blessing, yeah.
Like,
It's good to have sheep. This is sheep.
Famous. Now I see everybody.
Are you gonna be rich? You're
Yeah,
rich. I
why
mean,
not?
you are rich. You're a chef. You know what I'm saying? But looks like.
My heart is rich.
Your heart is rich.
Other financial.
God bless. قلت له هذه تاع الترفاه. قال لي قلبي ملفاه. قال لي دراهم ما كاش. Let's go. Nice meeting you, Bana.
Nice to meet you, sir.
specific work, so we do either squats, deadlifts, bench press.
What up, Mike? It's good.
I get it in, man.
Doing good so far?
Oh yeah, I need this shit.
Good luck for tomorrow, baby.
You know it.
Your ass. It's gonna be hurting. Let's go, get it. Easy money. Good. Get up.
That's it, I gotta go home now. Wants to scrap, you know? I got like 5 years of prime time, you know, I'm 28. By the time I'm like 33, if I lock in now, I can knock you the fuck out later.
Let's go.
You know? Trying to yeah. Same thing, coach. I gotta get back in with coach. We can see the
For an hour. Learning is fun. Let's see Mike, he's gonna show us his handstand right now. So let's come first. No, you go. Me first? Let's see you. Let's go. It's 300 pounds. Easy money,
So see how the angle of the knee is staying relatively the same throughout the entire movement. If you do it a little bit faster, you want your weight to be distributed evenly. Most of your weight should be in the front leg. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
مفيش حاجة في الحياة هتيجي سهلة. الحاجة اللي مش تتعب عليها عمرها ما هتيجي. الحاجة اللي مش تجتهد ليها تحط كل طاقتك وكل عقلك ومخك وتفكيرك فيها عمرها ما هتيجي. فعشان كده لازم تتعب، والمجهود اللي انت بتعمله ده نتيجته ربنا هيجازيك عاجلا او اجلا. ده وعد ربنا في الدنيا، وان اعملوا فسيرى الله اعمالكم ورسوله والمؤمنون. فده نصيحتي ليك، اشتغل وتابع نفسك. وقتك هيجي، بس الوقت الصح اللي ربنا كاتبه ليك. Don't give up. Don't quit.
بازا بيس كربي، كان هذا هو الفيديو النهار اليوم. نتلاقاو ان شاء الله في الفيديو القادم. تهلاو في وقتكم، ما تنساش تتابعني في الفيسبوك، في الانستغرام، في التيك توك، فيهم كاع هكذا. وفعل جدي مات وليدة الجرس. تهلاو في وقتكم. صلوا على رسول الله. سلام.